Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Google Pixel Fold. You first open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. And now, remember that you have your free credits banner. It's possible that it's disappeared after the setup, so to show it again you have to restart the application. Okay, now add the permissions to the camera and to the files. As you can see, banner disappear, so we can restart the app. Now this is the place where you can get your free credits to send a message for free. Okay, now click on the plus and choose source of the document, like something from the gallery. Now you can add the shape to your document. If you already click arrow, choose the filter for photo to make it more visible for the receiver. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you already click accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.